Dematic are pushing the boundaries by always trying to improve all of our equipment. We're always looking at the newest technology to improve our quality standards.
I like working at Dematic because it's a manufacturing leader. Every project comes with its own new challenges. Seniors are very supportive and provide continuous guidance whenever it's required.
We've got a great team here. We've got a bunch of talented individuals, and there's no problem that we can overcome in-house here at Dematic with the skills that we've got. It's so impressive to see what difference it makes to our customers' operation and how it streamlines and makes them more efficient.